Now we'll solve sales return book and purchase return book simultaneously. There is one question in which the return inward and return outward both book has to be maintained. So the question is, prepare return inward and return outward book from the following in the books of Modern Shoes, Kolkata, West Bengal. Kolkata is in West Bengal, assuming CGST at the rate of 6% and SGST at the rate of 6%. So the 2018 January 3rd, return to Bata Shoe Company Kolkata. Return to Bata Shoe Company Kolkata. It's a purchase return. This will be recorded in the purchase return. Okay. So transactions January 3rd, transaction of January 3rd will be in the purchase return. In the purchase return. January 3rd transactions. Now we'll see which transaction will be recorded where. So January 3rd transaction will be recorded in purchase return. Next is Guru Nanak and Company Kolkata return to us. It's a sales return. So January 10 transaction will be recorded in the sales return book. Next is return to Baluja Shoes Kolkata. Return to means purchase return. January 15 will be recorded in the purchase return. Return to. Next is on 22nd Pratap Footwear Patna return to us. It's a sales return. So January 22 transactions, 22nd transactions will be recorded in the sales return. Thereafter, on 27, Manoj Shoes Company Kolkata return to us. This is also sales return. 31st January return to Liberty Shoes. So it's a purchase return. January 31st. So 3 are in the purchase return, 3 are in the sales return. So first of all, we will maintain the sales return book. So start with the sales return. So first we will maintain the sales return book. So I have written over here in the books of Modern Shoes, Kolkata, West Bengal, return inward. Return inward means sales return. So in sales return, the January 3rd is related to purchase return. January 10 is related to sales return. So January 10 year is 2018. January 10. I am going to operate first sales return, return inward. Thereafter I operate the return outward book. So January 10, name of the firm is Guru Nanak, Messrs. Guru Nanak, Messrs. Guru Nanak and Company Kolkata. Kolkata return to us, Kolkata, West Bengal, return to us 10 pairs shoes of being defective at the rate of rupees 1200 per pair. Okay, per pair. So it is 1200 into 10. So it is 12,000 less trade discount is 10% trade discount. 10% trade discount. So 10% trade discount, 10% of 12,000 is 1200. 10% of this amount. So it is 008 010 10,800. Now as it is, the seller is from Kolkata and he is also from Kolkata customer, so we will add output CGST and output SGST at the rate of, rate has given at the rate of 6% and at the rate of 6%. So 6% of this amount 10,800, 6% of this amount 6,648 and 648. Okay, 6%, both CGST and SGST. The total is correct, you verify it. It is 12,096. 12,096. So this will be, we will write in the sales return 10,800 this amount will be in the CGST column, output CGST, output SGST. This is not integrated, and total is 12,096. 12,096. So first one is recorded. Okay, first transaction is recorded. First transaction is recorded. Now the next transactions related to sales return. 15 is also related to purchase return, return to Baluja. 22nd is Pratap Footwear Company Patna returned to us. It's a sales return. 22nd, January 22nd. Messrs. Pratap Footwear Company Patna, Bihar. Okay, they have returned 50 pairs shoes at the rate of rupees 1400 per pair. 1400 per pair. So 50 into 1400, 50 into 1400, 50 into 14. So it is 70,000. 50 into 1400. Okay. So is there any trade discount? Yes, 5% trade discount is there. So we'll deduct the trade discount, 5% trade discount. 5% trade discount. So 5% of this amount, 70,000 into 5 upon 100, 5% of 70,000. Okay, 3,500. So 3,500 is the trade discount. This will be deducted. So after deduction of trade discount, it is 66,500. 66,500. Add. It's Bihar. Customer is from Bihar and seller is of Calcutta. It's a interstate. So output IGST will be calculated at the rate of 12%. Both percentage will be club. CGST and SGST will be total club, and that become the IGST. So 12%. 12% of 66,500. 12% of 66,500. Okay. $7,980. 7,980. Okay, 7,980. So total is 0840. 74,480. Okay, so this will be here, 66,500 will be in the sales return column, and this will be in the IGST column, 7,980 IGST, and total will be 74,480 in the total column. So this transaction is also completed. Now next is 27 is also Manoj Shoes Company Kolkata return to us. It's also a sales return. 27 Messrs Manoj Shoes Company Kolkata, it is in West Bengal. Okay, what he has returned? He has returned 20 pairs of sandals at the rate of rupees 1,000 per sandal per pair. So it is 20,000. 20 into 1,000, 20,000. There is no trade discount here. No trade discount is mentioned. Now we will add output CGST because within the same state, Kolkata within the same state. So IGST, CGST and CGST, output CGST and output SGST will be calculated at the rate of 6% each. So 6% of this is 1,200 and 1,200. 6% of 20,000. So total is 00422 22,400. So 20,000 will be here, 1,200 in the output CGST, then output SGST, then here dash, and 22,400. Now what we'll do, we'll do the total. We will do the total at the end of the month. January is end on 31st. January end date is 31st. So total is, now we'll do the total of all these 5 columns. So first of all, sales return column total 0,037 97,300. Next is 8,481 1,848. Here also 1,848. Here 7,980. Okay, and this total is 6, 9 or 8, 17, 1, 4 and 5, 5 or 4, 9, 2 or 4, 6, 6 or 2, 8, and it is 1, 10. 1,08,976. This is return inward book. Now we will prepare return outward book. Okay, now we will prepare return outward book. Now in continuation in the same question, return outward book, which is called purchase return book. So name of the supplier and address, account to be debited. Here it will be debit note instead of credit note. Now it will be debit note, purchase return, input CGST, input SGST, input IGST and total. Okay. So you know when the debit note is issued, once again, debit note is issued by whom? Debit note is issued by purchaser. 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 Debit note is issued by purchaser. When the purchaser issue the debit note, you know that when we purchase the goods, purchase account debit to when we purchase the goods, purchase to supplier, and when we return the goods, supplier is debited and purchase return account is credited. Yes, purchase return account is credited. And when we purchase the goods, you know it well, purchase account debit, input CGST, if it is a intra-state, input SGST will be debited to supplier, and at the time of purchase return, supplier will be debited, purchase return will be credited, and input CGST and input SGST account is credited. You know, this is reverse. We have to done reverse treatment at the time of purchase return. So supplier's account is debited. So at the time of purchase return, the debit note is issued, which mentioned that supplier's account is debited in our books of account. Okay, when we return the goods, to supplier, along with the goods we send the debit note. This debit note indicate that your account, means supplier account, is debited in our books of account. Supplier account is debited in our books of account. This is also drawn in triplicate or duplicate form. Original copy will be given to the supplier and duplicate copy will be retained. Okay, duplicate copy will be retained and used as a source document to do the entry, to record the entry. So at the time of purchase return, these two account is credited. Input CGST and input SGST is credited. So this will be credited, purchase return will be credited, input CGST, input SGST, and supplier's account will be debited. This is at the time of when it is a intra-state within the same state, and when it is interstate, outside the state, then it is input IGST is taken into account. Input IGST when it is interstate. So interstate case, we will write it over here. Is it clear? So at the time of purchase return, we issue the debit note. Yes, so debit note is issued by the purchaser when goods is returned to the supplier at the time of purchase return. At the time of sales invoice, when the sales invoice is undercharged, when the sales invoice is overcosted, sales invoice total is overcosted, on that time also the debit note is issued. When the sales invoice total is undercosted, so on that time also we issue the debit note to do the reverse treatment. And fourth one is when some particular goods are omitted to record in sales book. So sales invoice is undercharged by mistake. Invoice sales book is undercosted by mistake. And when some particular goods are omitted to record in the sales invoice, then on that time debit note is issued by the purchaser. Now come to the return outward book. Okay, this is the format. So date is on January 3rd, return to Bata Shoe Company, Kolkata. Return to. So it's a return outward book means purchase return book. This will come on January 3rd. Transaction will come over here. Bata Shoe and Company, Bata Shoe Company, Kolkata, West Bengal. Okay, this will come. Okay, what he has returned, what we have returned to them, we have returned, purchase return 50 pairs chappal. The reason of return is mentioned not up to the approved sample. This is the reason of returning by us at the rate of rupees 600 per pair. So 50 into 600, it is 30,000. 50 into 600, 30,000. Trade discount is less 20% trade discount. 20% trade discount. So 20% of this amount, 20% of 30,000. 20% of 30,000. So it is 6,000. 6,000. So deduct it, it is 24. After deduction, it is 24. So as it is Kolkata and Kolkata within the same state, so we will calculate input CGST and input SGST at the rate of, rate has mentioned at the rate of 6% and 6%. So 6% of 24,000. 6% of 24,000. 1,440. 1,440. Both 1,440 CGST and SGST. So total is 26,880. So 24 will be in the purchase return. This one 24 will be in the purchase return column. This will be in the CGST. This will be in the SGST dash, and total is 26,880. This total. So transaction is recorded over here. Next transactions related to purchase return, return outward book. Return to Baluja Shoes Company, Kolkata. This is of January 15. Messrs. Baluja Shoes Company, Baluja Shoes Company, Kolkata, West Bengal. Okay, Baluja Shoes Company, Kolkata, West Bengal. What he has returned? 20 pairs of ladies chappals at the rate of rupees 500 per pair. So 500 into 20, 1,000 or 10,000? 10,000. 500 into 20, 500 into 20. Okay, it is 10,000. Okay, 10,000. So trade discount is given over here, less 15% trade discount. 15% is the trade discount. Okay, 15% of 10,000 is 1,500. 15% trade discount, not 15. Yes, return to Baluja. Yes, 15% trade discount. So 15% of 10,000 is this much 8,500. After deduction 8,500. Now add, as it is in the same state, Kolkata and Kolkata, so input CGST at the rate of 6% and input SGST at the rate of 6%. So 6% of 8,500, 6% of this amount. So it is 510, 510, 510 and 510 respectively. Okay, now do the total. 0, 2, 5, 9, 9,520. So 8,500 we will write it over here, this amount, 510 in the CGST, 510 in the SGST, and total is 9,520. Now this also completed. Now next is related to purchase return. Return outward is return to Liberty Shoe Company, Ranchi. Date is 31st. Return to Messrs. Liberty Shoes Company, Ranchi. And you know the Ranchi is at Jharkhand, capital city of Jharkhand. What they returned? They returned defective shoe of rupees 5,000. There is no trade discount, so add as it is interstate, so input IGST will be calculated at the rate of 12%. So 12% of this is 6,600. 5,600. So 5,000 will be here and 600 will be in the IGST. 5,600. Now thereafter we do the total. We do the total at the end of the month, 31st January. We do the total of the purchase return column, input CGST, input SGST, input IGST, and the total. So we'll do the total with the first purchase return. 37,500. Here it is 0, 5, 9, 1,950, 1,950. Here it is 600. Okay, here it is 600. Now total is 0, 0, 9, 14, 22, 8, 17 and 5, 2, 42,000 is the total. 42,000 is the total. So both books are operated by us. So you will get in the question maybe the only sales book, only purchase book, only purchase return or sales return, but you may get in some question various books are there and you have to open the various book. The information of purchase book, information of sales book, information of purchase return, sales return, all these book information will be given. Even the information related to journal proper, information transaction related to cash book will be given, and you have to prepare the various book and journal proper from that question. So you do as much as practice you can do it, okay, from the exercise and illustration.